For me, this week I started working on the concept art for our characters. I have set up a concept design document that includes 3 sketches in different styles for the characters, and each with their own stories. So we discussed that with Tom, and he gave us a lot of positive feedbacks. But definitely the characters needs more playtesting before finalizing.
So this week we continued developing our ideas and design, and we got final buy-in with our client Tom, who approved us to continue moving forward. In addition to continuing the design, my main part of this week was to continue working on the basic Twitch integration. So what I've been doing this week is creating a small little prototype where people from the audience can join in on Twitch, and they spawn into our game, and they can see their name, and they can choose a color of their cube character, and that way we can kind of test out how exciting it is to see your name and your character in a level.
So for this week, I think our teams is the main task of our teams to design the logo and poster. And I think for now, our team have designed a mini version of this, and I think we can just finish this task before today, so we can have our logos and poster. And for now, we also almost finished our ideas. So for now, I'm doing the environment prototype, which is based on the concept arts created by the other artists in our team.
We also have Perfo set up on all computers, so now whatever we work on gets updated in a single project. So everyone's working collaboratively and doing all the tasks together. At the same time, we have been working on a lot of Twitch interactions, even doing stress tests to see what kind of weight can Lumberyard take in terms of the amount of objects that are there, or how heavy this physics goes, so that moving forward we know what our limitations in terms of frame rate or latency would happen in Lumberyard and Twitch together.
So in this week, our team just keep going to create more details about our game design, and for the art side, I found out is doing the concept part of our game, and I just focus on doing our branding stuff, like the logo and the poster. We have nearly 11 or 12 iterations after we got the feedback from the art faculty and our advisor.
So this week I think I worked on the movement script to rewrite some logic from last week to make it more fluent, and also I work on the documentation of the transform of the entity, which is important because it's something basic and is a little bit different from Unity. And I also continue working on the blending things and to figure out how they work to help our animation to be more fluent.
We also worked on our quarters presentation, and it was essentially a time for us to make sure that the content is flowing in the right way. And our goal for the next week is to have our presentation ready in such a way that it accurately describes the kind of work that we've been doing till now and the kind of work that we have planned for ourselves in the future. We also had another meeting with Tom, where we went over several character sketches, we went over several design ideas that we have, and it went pretty positively. He gave us a lot of great advice and gave us a lot of input in terms of how to approach the semester and how to deal with all the things that we will have to be solving for as the semester goes on.